Hello student. So today we are going to start science class 7 science book nutrition in animal chapter number 2. So let's start where we left. So we left the mouth and the buccal cavity. So let's learn about the mouth and the buccal cavity. Food is taken into the body through the mouth. The process of taking food is to the body is called as egestion. So egestion it is the process of taking food from mouth to the body is called as egestion. We chew the food with the teeth and break it down by the mechanical and into simpler substances. So we chew the food and the chewed food break it down by the help of teeth. It break down in the simpler form. Means in small pieces it break down. So it is an mechanical. You have to apply some force energy. Each tooth is rooted in a separate socket. So example, this is a teeth. It is embedded in a socket. All the teeth are embedded in different sockets. They are some of the socket we know as gums. So these are some of them you have heard about. So they are embedded. Now moving on. So this exercise we have done earlier. So moving on to next. Our mouth has salivary gland. We know that our mouth contains large amount of saliva. The saliva is secreted from salivary gland. It secretes the saliva. Did you know the action of saliva on the food? Saliva help the food to chew easily, digest easily. So let's do an activity to learn about it. So activity 2.3 says that take two test tubes, mark them A, B. In test tube A, put a teaspoonful of boiled rice. In test tube B, keep 1 teaspoonful of boiled rice after chewing 3 to 5 minutes. Add 3 to 4 ml of water in both the test tube. Now 4 to 3 drops of iodine solution on each of the test tube and observe why is there a change in the color in the test tube. Discuss the result with your classmate and teacher. This is because the saliva break down the starch into sugar. And the tongue is a fleshy muscular organism attached at the back of the floor of the buccal cavity. So it is attached at the back of the floor of buccal cavity. As you can see here that these are your teeth and here your tongue is present. It is a muscular organ attached. It is attached at the lower zone. Where it is attached at the lower zone. So moving on. Do you know it can move up to all the direction? So this is an structure of tongue. As you can see, there are many reason of different type of taste like salty. This reason which I am marking is salty. This region that is marked is salty region. Here salt is present. If you press this region, You will feel the salt. Here is the sugar reason. Sugar. Sugar is here in the form and present here. This is bitter reason means every person is think that if we put the tablet more inert, then it is more easily not too rapid. So this is the and salt. So you have learned about the reason of the tongue on the four different tastes. This is you have learned. So the position of taste bud by the following activity. There are many of them. So this is an activity you have to read this activity. The food pipe and or also known as esophagus. The swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. Look at figure 2.2. The food pipe run along the neck. Start from the neck, as you can see there. This is the neck. And from the neck, it goes to chest. From chest to stomach. This is a rough diagram. So as you assume, the food passes through here, and the food goes to J-shaped stomach. The J-shaped stomach is only in empty stomach, as you can see. By the time it is fully, if you eat more, the stomach will be expanded from here to here. So it make it more circular. So moving on to another. And the chest. The food is pushed down by the momentum of the food pipe. Actually, the movement of take place throughout the alimentary canal. Means throughout the alimentary canal, this movement take place. It pushes the food downward. At the time, the food is not accepted by the stomach. It is vomited out. You have seen that if you overeat or at some time or in the party you overeat, so you after some time you will having feeling of vomited out because the food is not accepted means at the time your stomach is full. So let's learn about stomach. What is a stomach? A stomach is a thick walled bag. Its shape is flattened J and it is the widest part of alimentary canal. It receives food from the food pipe at one end and open into small intestine or at the other end. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus. So as you can see, the inner lining of the stomach secrete mucus. This is an inner lining of stomach. It secrete mucus. So and the liver that is attached, it also secrete hydrochloric acid. Means stomach secrete hydrochloric acid. And mucus protect the inner lining of the stomach. The acid kill many bacteria that enter to our mouth, and the food make the medium in the stomach acidic and help to digest the juices to protect the protein and it break down the protein into simple substances. The small intestine is a highly coiled and about 6 7.5 meter long, which is very much long. It is the longest part. It is longest. It receive the secretion from the liver, pancreas. Beside its wall also secrete juices. The liver is reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. So it is the largest gland, and it secretes the juice known as bile juice that is stored in a sac called gallbladder. Bile plays an important role in digestion of fat. The pancreas is a large cream-colored gland located just below of the stomach. The pancreatic juice act on carbohydrate, fat, protein, and change them into simpler form. So this is an so thank you. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe our amazing channel Vision India Class 6 to 12. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.